Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to practice speaking in Duolingo Max AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to practice speaking with Duolingo Max AI, then you can use the video call feature to chat with Lily in real time. You need to simply open your Duolingo, and one new feature that only Max users can allow is talk with Lily in video call. So if you tap on try free with Max, then you can have your trial session as well. But if you want to pay for full, then you can simply type in your credit details and get this Max account in actual. So this will simulate actual conversation or use the role play feature for scenario based practice, both found in Practice Hub for mobile users with Max subscription, focusing on authentic, low pressure interaction to build confidence. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.